With new advancements, smartphones are getting even smarter with embedded AI technology. These next-generation models come with AI built right into them, which can bring a huge change that will make smartphones even more powerful and useful in our daily lives. So by the end of this video, you will discover 9 transformative impacts of embedded AI in next-generation smartphones. Let's get right into it. Number 1. Enhanced user experience. With AI integration in smartphones, user experiences will be quicker, more effective, and more personalized because the processing happens right on the device. Using fancy algorithms, smartphones can study how you use them, what you like, what you do, and then use that info to make your phone unique to you. For example, AI virtual assistants can learn what you like and how you use your phone, so they can suggest things you might need or want. They get better over time, making your phone feel like it knows you well. This makes using your smartphone smoother and more fun. The future of smartphones with AI looks promising. People think that artificial intelligence will become a big part of how phones work, making them easier to use. With advancements in AI, smartphones will be even more personalized because they'll learn about what we like and how we use our phones. Imagine a phone that knows exactly what apps you need and when you need them, or a phone that can change its settings to match your preferences without you having to do anything. That's the kind of thing AI can help with. As AI technology keeps improving, our smartphones will keep getting smarter and more helpful, making our lives easier and more enjoyable. Number 2. Battery optimization. Mobile devices sometimes struggle with keeping their batteries running for a long time, but AI is here to help by making sure our phones use power wisely. AI uses smart algorithms to learn how we use our phones. It figures out when we use them the most and what apps we use the most. Then it adjusts things in the background to save energy. For example, it might slow down apps that use a lot of power when we're not using them. Thanks to AI, our phones last longer on a single charge, and they're more reliable too. Plus, AI can even predict how healthy our batteries are and give us tips on how to keep them in good shape for longer. Another way that batteries are being optimized is through the design of smartphones. Manufacturers are now focusing more on adding AI capabilities to the hardware. This has led to the development of special chips that help with on-device AI tasks. These chips are designed to use less energy, which is important for devices like smartphones that run on batteries. They're also powerful enough to handle the complex calculations needed for AI algorithms without draining the battery too quickly. Number 3. Health and wellness tracking. In today's world, where people care a lot about their health, mobile devices with AI are increasingly becoming more helpful. Health and fitness apps use AI to look at data from sensors on our phones and give us personalized advice about our physical activity, sleep, and overall health. These apps help us make smart choices about our well-being by giving us insights and suggestions based on our data. For example, they might notice if we're not sleeping well or if we're not moving enough during the day, and then they'll give us tips to help us feel better. With AI, these smartphones can even spot signs of health issues early on and give us advice on how to stay healthy. So by using these phones, we can take better care of ourselves and live healthier lives. Number 4. Generative AI. Generative AI is changing the game for smartphones embedded with AI. With this technology, our phones can do so much more than just follow our commands. They can understand what we want and even create things for us. For example, imagine you want to write a song but don't know where to start. With generative AI, you can hum a few notes or describe a melody, and your phone can turn it into a full song. And it's not just music. Generative AI can also help us create art. You can describe a scene or an idea, and your phone can turn it into a beautiful painting or a stunning photo. It's like having an artist in your pocket, ready to bring your imagination to life. But the best part is that you don't need to be an expert to use generative AI. Anyone can tap into their creativity and make something amazing with just a few taps on their phone. It's opening up new possibilities for making things and expressing ourselves. Number 5. Enhanced security. With AI processing happening right on our devices, concerns about security and privacy are being addressed more effectively. Here's how. Instead of sending all our data to big servers in the cloud, AI is now doing its thing right on our phones. This lowers the chance of hackers getting access to our info because our data stays right on our devices. Now, because our data is kept safe on our phones, they can use AI to give us personalized suggestions and advice without needing to know everything about us. Our smartphones can still help us out without invading our privacy. Apple is leading the way in using AI for security in its products, especially in mobile devices. One great example is how they've integrated AI into their Face ID technology, which is available on many newer iPhones. Face ID uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to recognize your face and make sure only you can access your phone's information. This technology is a big step forward in keeping our data safe on our phones. With Face ID, we can feel more confident that our information is protected, even if our phone gets lost or stolen. Number 6, predictive maintenance. AI-driven predictive maintenance is a big plus for smartphones. Instead of waiting for something to go wrong, AI keeps an eye on the phone's performance all the time. It uses smart algorithms to spot any possible problems before they get worse. This proactive approach helps prevent sudden crashes or when the phone slows down unexpectedly. It makes sure everything's running smoothly. What's great is that AI can learn how you use your phone and make sure it's using its resources in the best way possible. This means your phone runs smoothly and lasts longer, which is great for you and your wallet. Thanks to AI, our smartphones stay in top shape and keep us happy for longer. Number 7, context-aware smart assistants. AI enables smartphones to become more context-aware, incredibly intuitive and helpful. It enables our phones to understand our environment and adapt accordingly, almost like they have a mind of their own. Imagine you're in a new city and you're looking for a place to eat. With AI-powered location services, your phone can instantly show you nearby restaurants, reviews, and even special deals. It's similar to having a personal tour guide who knows all the best spots. But it doesn't stop there. AI also takes into account other factors, like the time of day and your daily routine. If it's morning, your phone might suggest your favorite coffee shop on the way to work. Or if it's your usual gym time, it might remind you to pack your workout clothes. This level of awareness and adaptability turns our smartphones into more than just tools. They become intelligent companions that anticipate our needs and make our lives easier. It's a personal assistant in the palm of your hand, ready to help with whatever you need whenever you need it. Number 8, voice search. AI that's built right into our smartphones is incredibly versatile. It's making our smartphone experience better in so many ways, from making voice assistants smarter to taking amazing photos. For starters, AI helps voice assistants understand us better. This means we can ask them more complex questions and get helpful answers. It's just as if you are having a conversation with a smart friend. It also works behind the scenes to make our photos look amazing. It can adjust things like lighting and colors in real time, so our pictures always turn out great, even in tricky situations. And if you're into gaming, AI can make your games even more fun and immersive. It can adapt the game to your skill level or even create new challenges based on how you play. AI also helps with things like predictive text, making it easier to type on our phones, and real-time language translation, so we can communicate with people from all over the world. Number 9, enhanced IoT. AI and voice technology are opening up new possibilities for more natural and conversational interactions with users. This means we can search for things on our phones in a more intuitive way just by talking to them. Many experts, like those at eMarketer, believe that lots of people will start using voice search in 2025. That's why companies and apps are jumping on board and using this technology to make things easier for us. One industry that's embracing this technology is automotive. Imagine being able to control your car with just your voice. Many newer cars are starting to integrate with mobile apps, so you can use voice commands while driving. Big car brands like Volkswagen and Renault, Nissan, Mitsubishi are using cloud and AI tech to make this experience seamless and easy for drivers. With this technology, you could do things like keep listening to your favorite music as you get into your car, make phone calls, or check your calendar, all without taking your hands off the wheel. It's a personal assistant in your car, making driving safer and more convenient. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.